है ना।
हाँ सर।
ये क्राइम फ्री भारत यूट्यूब चैनल पर अपलोड भी होगी, ठीक है ना। ये
हाँ सर।
आपकी
हाँ
ये आपकी जानकारी के लिए।
हाँ सर। हाँ सर।
तो अब आप बताइए।
सर अभी क्या है, अभी मैं एक इंडिपेंडेंट कैंडिडेट होकर मैं काम कर रहा हूँ सर। ये
जी,
मैसूर में आई एम स्टार्टिंग टू डू ये
आप एज ए इंडिपेंडेंट अभी कर्नाटका के चुनाव में आप अभी पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं।
हाँ पार्टिसिपेट कर रहा हूँ सर।
ओके, गुड।
सो अभी हम लोग ऐसा है सर, आई डन बेगर फ्री सिटी इन 2009।
हाँ हाँ
तो इसमें फ्री एजुकेशन फॉर बेगिंग चिल्ड्रन जो होता है,
हाँ
उन लोगों का फ्री एजुकेशन है। एंड ओल्ड एज पीपल के लिए वृद्धाश्रम भी किया था, गवर्नमेंट से मैंने अनाउंसमेंट करवाया
हाँ
था।
हाँ।
एंड whoever they are using the kids, they will be under the custody। ये पहली बार भारत में, ये पहली बार हुआ था, 2009 में हुआ, 2008 में हुआ था वो। तो
ओके,
so second one we done
आपका
Mysore
थोड़ा सा
and
वॉल्यूम बढ़ा लें, अच्छा रहेगा, क्योंकि आपकी आवाज थोड़ी धीमी आ रही है।
now it's okay sir।
थोड़ा सा बढ़ाएं आवाज को तो अच्छा अच्छा रहेगा वो।
Okay।
हाँ हाँ
now okay।
हाँ, नाउ इट्स गुड।
हाँ।
हाँ
सेकेंड वन इज सर, अभी हम सेकेंड अभी क्या है, वी डन सिक्योर्ड मैसूर बोलकर, वो उस समय पर पब्लिक प्लेस में मेटल डिटेक्टर सीसी कैमरा नहीं था।
ओके
The people that doesn't know about the power, it is only installed in airport।
ओके
So what I planned, क्योंकि अभी कोई टेररिस्ट आ गया, वेदर दे एक्सप्लोजन बॉम्ब्स, किसी को भी कुछ भी पता नहीं चलेगा, कौन आकर क्या किया, कुछ भी किसी को पता नहीं चलेगा। So then I planned, because why not installed CC कैमरा इन पब्लिक प्लेस, क्योंकि उन लोग।
बेसिकली आजकल सीसी कैमरे के साथ साथ एक कैलिब्रेटेड मेटल डिटेक्टर भी होता है। तो
हाँ
आप ये भी देख सकते हैं कि हाउ द मेटल इज बीइंग डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड ओवर द बॉडी, और
यस।
उससे बहुत सारे इन्फ्रेंसेस ड्रॉ किए जा सकते हैं।
हाँ
देखिए
सर।
देखिए, मैं आपको एक बात
हाँ मैं
बताऊं। हाँ
वही बता रहा हूँ सर। सो ऑन 2009 आई स्पोकन टू इधर लोकल बॉडीज को।
हाँ हाँ
I spoken to the local bodies, and first local bodies they are ignore it. Then I done rally and dharna, and finally the officials they agreed. So ये पूरा इंडिया में पहली बार मैसूर में 2009 में सीसी कैमरा मेटल डिटेक्टर इंस्टॉल हुआ था।
ओ, बहुत सुंदर बहुत सुंदर। तो ये
Then
आप मैसूर में वृंदावन गार्डन की बात कर रहे हैं या बाकी जगहों पे भी या?
नहीं, एंटायर मैसूर, फर्स्ट वी एंटायर मैसूर इंक्लूडिंग फिल्म थिएटर, मॉल, हॉस्पिटल, सब प्लेस में एक ही टाइम में 2009 नवंबर में हम लोग ने इंस्टॉल किया था।
बहुत सुंदर बहुत सुंदर। तो
सो
ये आपने जो इंस्टॉल किया था,
हाँ।
आपने कंपनी बनाया, एनजीओ बनाया, कैसे आपने इंस्टॉल
नहीं नहीं
किया?
नहीं, मैंने कुछ भी नहीं बनाया। आई रिक्वेस्टेड टू द गवर्नमेंट, गवर्नमेंट लोग ने बोला मैं हम लोग करने के लिए तैयार नहीं था।
अच्छा।
Then I spoken to the Lions Club, Rotary, and some other NGOs. Then they told that we are ready to install this
ओके
for the public service. Then when we started to do that, immediately the government of the government of Karnataka, they told that we will install, we will हम लोग आपका योजना हम लोग immediately install करेंगे, ऐसा उन लोग ने बोला।
बहुत सुंदर, बहुत बहुत
So
अच्छा, बहुत
finally
अच्छा।
we
हाँ हाँ
succeeded on that. And third mission, what happened from to 2008 में तो I think 2005 Indian government they released a NARM project बोलकर 1,800 crores they release किया था।
ओके
And 4 years the government and the Mysore corporation people, they are not ready to release that 1,800 crores.
ओके
So it is 5 months आसपास में, वेदर हम लोग वो छोड़ दिया हुआ तो विद इन 5 months इट विल गो बैक टू, वो पूरा पैसा वो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट में जाना
लैप्स कर जाएगा वो। हाँ,
था। हाँ।
फाइनेंशियल
देन
ईयर में यदि यूज नहीं हुआ तो लैप्स कर जाएगा। हाँ
लैश हो जाएगा। सो वो हम मैं रखकर मैं क्या किया, मैं मेरा फ्रेंड सब मिलकर हम लोग ने क्या किया,
हाँ,
वी स्टार्टेड रैली एंड धरना एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड इंक्लूडिंग द प्रेस पीपल दे जॉइन विथ अस,
ओके।
एंटायर प्रेस टीम दे आर जॉइन इन मैसूर।
हाँ हाँ
एंड फाइनली डीसी साहब ने बोला ये सब अमिताभ से हम लोग कर रहे हैं, दैट्स आल्सो इज फोर्सफुली वी आर डूइंग, सो वी डोंट हैव चॉइस, वी हैव टू रिलीज दिस मनी, ऐसा बोलकर उन लोग ने 1,850 करोड़ रिलीज किया मैसूर डेवलपमेंट के लिए।
ओह ग्रेट।
सो दैट आल्सो द न्यूज़पेपर सब दे कवर्ड, पूरा कवर किया उन लोग ने,
ओके
मेरे बारे में पूरा कवर किया। So this is 3 projects I done Mysore. Afterwards, the Mysore become as a a clean city in India.
Great, great, great. बहुत सुंदर.
हाँ sir. And then I taken a project about DC phone ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Then the project हम लोग ने क्या किया?
ಫೋನ್ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬ.
ಫೋನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ.
ಇರ್ಲಿ. Then we done ಸೈಂಟಿಫ್ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫೋನ್ ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಡು. फिर क्या किया मैंने सोचा वो श्रीलंका में 2009 में श्रीलंका में एक वार हो रहा था, आपको पता होगा.
हाँ 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 हाँ.
जीटी एंड गवर्नमेंट के साथ.
हाँ 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 हाँ.
वार खत्म होने के बाद I got information from my guru, the Chinese and Pakistanis they are military base उन लोग they are taking the military base in Sri Lanka.
हाँ हाँ.
Then I thought that I have to go to Sri Lanka.
Oh great.
Then I went to Sri Lanka. मैं अकेले में श्रीलंका गया.
Okay.
With the president of the Sri Lankan president.
Uh-huh.
But also I want to warn him that you should not allow the Chinese and Pakistan.
Okay.
And उस समय पर क्या हो गया, मेरा गुरु का devotee, some people they told about me to Supreme Court Chief Justice. His name is Vigneshwaran.
Okay.
And he received me. I don't know who is he on that time.
Okay.
And he received me, and I went to meet Rajapaksa PA and the Supreme Court Chief Justice of Sri Lanka. And I told that you should not allow the Chinese and Pakistan, because once nuclear war start means everything will come to end.
बिल्कुल ठीक कहा.
आपका देश भी नहीं बचेगा और मेरा देश भी नहीं बचेगा.
बिल्कुल
सही. युद्ध से कुछ भी नहीं होगा. It is all it is a loss only.
Very true.
Then they told that it is higher authority. Western countries पूरा nuclear war करने के लिए उन लोग plan कर रहे हैं. If we support directly, media is उन लोगों के पास media है. And NATO है, including militaries है. So we are very small country. If we are not supporting them, naturally they will destroy us, like Iraq.
Okay.
So we are not against you also, as well as the Western countries.
Uh-huh.
So ये छोड़कर आप क्या कर सकते हो, ऐसा बोला. Then I thought that I researched on Veda.
Okay.
So the yagya, yaga, so the Rishi Munis, they are doing the yagas to control the cosmos.
Okay.
There is a scripture about the Rajasuya Mahayagya.
Uh-huh.
So I told that we are doing Rajasuya Mahayagya. In that, your ministers, they have to attend that.
Okay.
Attend our program. ऐसा मैंने बोला था. Then they told that they agreed.
Okay.
And 2011, the Sri Lankan ministers, they came to Mysore.
Okay.
And they told that we are not against to the mother nature.
Okay.
So we will surrender. Our government will surrender to the nature. ऐसा उन लोगों ने संकल्प किया.
Okay.
That also it is in media में आया है. That also we सब आया. On that time I was 21 years.
Okay.
Then Palestine ministers also they came to our place.
Okay.
So this is our program is going on, sir. Like nuclear war रोकने के लिए भी हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं. Biological war रोकने के लिए I constructed more than 33 temples, which are very old. Like archaeology department जो temples होता है ना.
Okay.
वो invaders ने जो destruction किया था वो temple को 33 temples I constructed by my own money.
Wow, great.
I sold all my properties more than 20 crores.
Oh, great. You are a great man.
Including I constructed church also. It's like Jesus and Buddha Vihar also.
Okay.
Not only the Hinduism. It is like secular. So I consider everything. So to protect my mother nature, that's it. So what my guru, whatever he told, just I followed his word. So I sold all my property, because the people they won't believe when I telling that if I construct this temple, the war will come to end.
Okay.
So better I thought that I sold my property and I will construct it.
Okay.
So now what happened after this? We got guidance that you have to go through the KR Kshetra. It is called as Krishna Raja Kshetra in my constitution, Krishna Raja constitution
Okay.
in Mysore. So you, my guru, he told that you have to go through the election. Before 10-15 days before he told that you have to conduct the election. So finally now I'm conducting the election. So this is my story.
Okay. Great. 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 You are a great warrior, and you have done such a wonderful thing at such a young age. Kudos to you and your determination and your efforts, which has brought the peace internationally. I I sincerely appreciate your efforts.
So Mother Nature, because Mother Nature, everything she is giving, sir. Like she is providing air, food, everything. But being as a human, we are trying to destroy her. We destroy
वेरी
the
वेरी
water.
वेरी वेरी ट्रू। और उस डिस्ट्रक्शन के लिए कोई जिम्मेवार है तो वो हमारे राजनेता है।
हाँ सर।
और उन्होंने जो है हमारे ऊपर गुलामों के वही एक्सप्लॉइटेटिव जो नियम कानून है वो सब थोप के रखे हैं। योर लॉज रूल्स एंड एक्ट दे वेर enacted by the Britishers with the mindset to humiliate you,
Yes.
to oppress you, to exploit you,
Yes.
to dominate you through the processes for many years and ruin you in turn. The same set of rules have been imposed on us and they are still being continued after lapse of the 75 years or so.
Okay.
And these politicians,
हाँ सर।
those who are the lawmaker also,
हाँ सर।
they did not created right kind of the law for themselves. So it is very unfortunate for this country that a peon who is the lowest in the rung,
हाँ सर।
he has to be a person of educated also and good moral character. But these politicians, those who are our destiny decider, they are our lawmaker, they are the criminals.
हाँ सर।
Now, crime-free Bharat has created a full model. Without spending a single penny,
हाँ सर।
we can defeat all the politicians. I was camping in Karnataka and I was trying to really take everybody, but it is very unfortunate
हाँ सर।
that people did not wake up. If they would have woke up,
Yes.
I guarantee
हाँ सर।
we would have defeated all politicians of all political party in all 224 constituency without spending a single penny.
Yes, sir.
And the person who would have aided the maximum number of the person, he would have become the chief minister. Number 2 or 3 would have become the deputy chief minister, and remaining almost 30 odd people would have become the minister, and 224 people would have become the MLAs, right?
Yes. Yes.
And in turn, it is the duty of the Chanakya, under leadership of Maithili Saran Gupta,
Yes.
to create the law and technology and change the Bharat.
Yes.
Is it not very unfortunate for the Karnataka people that people did not woke up?
Yes.
Still, when they need not to spend a single penny from their pocket, they need not to canvass for themselves, still they would have defeated everyone.
Yes.
But anyway, now that that has gone case, I was camping for very long in Karnataka, but I find that people are sleeping and we did not get right kind of the connection. So anyway, we can continue with our work.
Yes.
And we can make use of it in 2024 so that all parties would be defeated in general election of 2024. And at the national level, we will change our nation.
Definitely, sir.
So,
Definitely.
Mr. Amitabh Singh, you please do join. I will share you. If you have you already joined or you have not joined so far?
No, not done, sir. I'll join. No
So
problem.
I will just send you a link through SMS, text message. You
Yes,
just
sir.
click and join.
Sure.
There
Sir.
are 4 capacity to join. Number 1 is member under consideration. If you feel you need to still ponder and think over it, then you can join and you can consider asking questions and trying to understand whole thing. Secondly, you can say, I have understood, but my situation is like that, I would like to stay behind a curtain. I do not want to come in front. Such people will be called crime-free Bharat members, and
Okay.
they are supposed to add 10 people from their own family and people like that, and then finally over the period of time they are supposed to add 90 odd people, right?
Okay.
And the people, those who feel that they want to be in front, and then they have to take number of the sangosti and of the people, and let the people should be briefed, and they can join in any of the 4 format. And the person who would be adding maximum number of the people, he would have become even the chief minister of the state.
Okay.
Now you can compete at the national level, because this opportunity has been lost. Otherwise, had the people reacted properly,
Yes.
I had already declared that on 13th of the May we would have been forming the government.
Okay.
And because the model is powerful, but like a model is only powerful when the people join and complete their oath, right?
Exactly.
So anyway, now Karnataka election is a gone case, but still we can strive for 2024 general election, and let's change the destiny of our nation by defeating these politicians. Because if these politicians will be defeated, we will change the laws, we will change the processes, we will bring the technology, we will make this country disease free from the chemicals. You very rightly said that we are committing n number of atrocities on our mother nature.
Yes, sir.
Now we must stop it.
Yes, exactly.
We must plant as many plants possible, and let the plants should be of the fruits, medicines, powders, and fruits. So let the water should come back again at the level of 8 feet or so. It is doable. This nation will change.
Yes, sir.
So I will send you the text message of Crime Free Bharat Mission. You take the place, and since you are already in the field, I wish you will be the right person to become Chandragupta.
Yes, sir.
So I will
सर मैं बैक में रखकर क्या करना है? वैसे युद्ध करने है तो फ्रंट में आकर युद्ध करेंगे ना?
बेसिकली इसमें कुछ युद्ध करना ही नहीं है. इसमें जस्ट केवल you have to add people, and we will be within 9 days we can become 100 crore and more if we just follow our oath of a normal member.
Okay.
Because the model says that in 9 days we will be 100 crore, and these 100 crore people will be going on the rooftop and will be saying that who is their Chandragupta, and he will be voting for him and all those kind of the things. So without even asking for the vote, all Chandragupta, they will get the ticket and they will be winning also, and they will be then we will get the opportunity to change the law and technology and everything. That's how it's going to operate. So without spending single penny, this great change is doable. And all political parties, they will be defeated. And probably they will concede their defeat even before actual polling. The model is so powerful. Since you are a warrior, I request to do this job. Take as many as Sangosti possible. Try to include everybody who is Majna, is labor, Haath Thele wala, this, that, everybody. Because at present, everybody is getting exploited.
Yes.
and they are not really living in a independent country because the rules of the slaves they have been imposed.
हाँ सर.
महंगाई बढ़ रही है, आदमी को जो है ना ठीक ढंग से जी नहीं पा रहा है, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट है, ये है वो है. इस नए मॉडल में कोई भी व्यक्ति अनएम्प्लॉयड नहीं होगा. भारत टैक्स फ्री हो जाएगा. भारत बिगेस्ट रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट हब हो जाएगा. भारत से जितने भी हानिकारक केमिकल्स हैं वो सब लुप्त हो जाएंगे. ऐसा होगा परिवर्तित भारत. राइट? तो अमिताभ जी, वी विल कंटिन्यू. और इस ऐप के माध्यम से रात को 9 बजे हर रात्रि को एक वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस होती है क्राइम फ्री भारत ऐप के माध्यम से. तो यू ज्वाइन इमीडिएटली एंड देन यू कैन अटेंड द मीटिंग ऑफ द 9 o'clock also. If you don't have the time till 13th, then you can do after 13th, you can come for the 5-10 minute every day, and then after 13th you will become the more aggressive member, because in any case we lost the opportunity in this legislative assembly election, but we should not get disheartened. We will make a difference in 2024.
Sure sir.
So Amitabh Singh, it is a pleasure talking to you. Thank you.
Thank you sir. Thank you.
Okay, bye.